Now let's see what is ESI Act. Full form is Employees State Insurance Act, and it was passed in the year 1948. See, it is employees and not employer. So that brings you to the next question. What is the difference between employee and employer? One is worker and the other is the boss, right? So who is the boss? Boss is employer and the worker is employee, right? So this is for helping the workers, right? This is to prevent occupational diseases, right? Okay, so this is Employees State Insurance Act. Now what is it? This is a social security scheme under which we are giving health insurance to workers. By the way, putting by insurance, we have heard about insurance, right? LIC. So what is an insurance? Insurance means they have to first pay a small amount. You call it as premium from their pocket, and when they need, they will get a lot of benefits. Okay, this is health insurance scheme. So ESI is a social security and health insurance scheme under which the workers will get cash as well as medical benefits. Okay, now let's see who all are covered under ESI. ESI, the scope of ESI, it is applicable to all small factories where 10 or more workers are employed. And this is also applicable for not only for factories but also for shops, restaurants, then cinema theatres, road motor transport, then for newspaper establishments. So all those small, small companies are also coming under this ESI benefit. Okay, and another thing is, this is applicable only for those workers who are getting a monthly income of 21,000 or less. That means if your monthly income is 22,000, you will not come under this benefit. You get coverage under ESI only if your monthly income is 21,000 or less. Okay, so these things you have to keep under in your mind. This is the scope of ESI.